Okay, hey there everybody, Greg here from DECKED, and we're here to talk components. Components, you're gonna wanna buy some of these with your deck system. I know I'm supposed to say that because that's what we do, but this is really the no smoke and mirrors reason why these are called components, not accessories. So we call them components, not accessories, because they are part of an integrated modular storage system we've created with the drawer system. They are gonna make your system perform better for you. Our customers are way more satisfied when they have some of these, so it gives them that actual modularity of storage and organization. They're really efficient and they're not expensive. So just a couple of the highlights here. The drawer organizer. This is a great one to get. It's like 20 bucks and it sits here in the head of your drawer, and it gives you kind of this place to put all your small things like bug repellent, duct tape, a screwdriver, whatever's bounced around in the back of your truck. And going back here a little bit further, the crossbox. Crossbox is a really handy little toolbox. Comes with a small parts tray. You can put whatever you can think of in there. You can leave that out. Again, not expensive. It's weatherproof. It's got a gasket in the lid. Really easy to lock levers. So you're going to want to get one or two of those things. And then moving on over here to the D box. You're going to get at least two of these. The D box is the big brother to the crossbox. Again, it's a weatherproof, really durable, rugged toolbox, gearbox. This is great for putting your tow strap, jumper cables, flares, that kind of thing. A lot of guys will have a stack of these in their garage with hand tools, power tools, maybe their waterfowl kit, maybe upland game, conventional tackle, fly fishing, whatever you have, and you can stack those in your garage. They're really high quality, made from a durable polypropylene nylon material. The D-box, and again, helps you reach the back of the drawer, put stuff back in there you're not going to use very often. Really handy, super affordable. And then we make things like drawer locks, drain plugs, cargo tie downs, rack attachments, T-tracks. And then we've got dividers. These are pretty handy for just segmenting your storage. Put them in there like your boots or apparel, maybe extension cords, pneumatic hoses, and that sort of thing. That's the divider. So definitely check these out. They're all on the site. But if you're buying those from us at deck.com, buy your components with your system. And I'll tell you why. We're going to ship your components inside the master carton, and it's going to ship for a flat rate of $15. And that's as much componentry as you can stick in there as 15 bucks in shipping. And if we ship it to you UPS, so if you buy your system, decide later you want to buy this, they're not cheap because we're shipping you a box of air. And UPS doesn't really make that cheap for anybody. So literally your cost of shipping to ship a D-box or crossbox can almost be as much as the product cost itself. So all DECKED components are made in the USA, and they all come with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please hit us up in the comments. You can send us an email, call us, live chat, social media, smoke signal, whatever you got. But thanks for watching. We're looking forward to working with you.